If you have also spent hours on YouTube or tried reading a lot of books to find that one strategy that really suits your personality and becomes your edge, but haven't been able to find it yet, here is the good news. I have a solution for you. Hey everyone, I am Shishir Singh from Elliott Waves Trading. A trader needs many things to be consistently profitable, and one of them is a trading strategy. It's not hard to find a strategy, but internet is full of so-called gurus who would be quick to market any random combination of rules as strategy because it will get them views on YouTube. You can find some well-known and proven strategies, but they may not necessarily suit your personality, even if they have an edge. As an example, a profitable intraday strategy will be useless for a swing trader. Or someone who works full-time and trades for passive income may not have time to follow a strategy which requires him to be glued to screen for finding that perfect entry. Each trader has a unique personality and unique constraints. There is no one-size-fits-all solution for traders. All traders have to necessarily go through this journey of experimenting with different time frames and different trading approaches before they can understand what works for them. And to do this, they endlessly comb through internet to find that one time frame and trading style that would eventually become their edge. If you have been through this or going through this phase right now, you would know that this process can be immensely time consuming and frustrating. You search through dozens of strategies, pick one, try it on charts, only to realize that the strategy doesn't work as advertised, and then repeat the entire cycle all over again. I have been through this journey myself, and as a trading coach and mentor, I see lots of traders going through this onerous task every single day. What if I told you that you can stop wasting time hunting for the perfect strategy? What if there was something that gives you all the time-tested strategies, popular and otherwise, so you don't need to jump from one search to another just to find a strategy worth testing? I'm glad to introduce the book of trading strategies. This book includes 200 time-tested intraday, swing, and positional trading strategies. More importantly, these strategies are not random set of rules or generated using ChatGPT. This book includes a manually curated set of trading strategies that have been used and recommended over the years by well-known and successful traders and investors. It also includes such strategies that I personally use and teach my students. All the strategies in this book have been categorized by the trading approach or style. These include trend following, momentum-based strategies, breakout strategies, mean reversion strategies, range trading strategies, and reversal strategies. Each strategy in the book has been defined in a very clear and concise manner. All strategies include preconditions, if there are any, objectively defined entry rules, exit rules, risk, that is your stop loss, and target logic, direction of the trade, whether it's long only strategy, short only strategy, or both, time frame to use for the strategy, and last but not the least, fine-tuning notes. These notes are based on observations and can help improve the performance of the strategy significantly. Here is an example of swing trading strategy from the book. Momentum gap and hold. As you can see, the strategy has been defined with very clear and objective rules without any ambiguity. It is a momentum-based strategy as mentioned in strategy type. Time frame is daily, direction is long only, which means this strategy is not meant for shorting purpose. Similarly, you have preconditions, entry and exit rules that have been defined along with fine-tuning notes at the end. Purposefully, I have tried to avoid writing long paragraphs and kept it short and to the point. In my experience, more words can cause more confusion when it comes to trading. Due to this, you would find that there is zero ambiguity, no guesswork involved. All strategies are plug and play, ready to use. They are easy to backtest and ideal for system trading or automation because the rules are crystal clear. Even if you are a seasoned trader, this book is the kind of resource you will return to again and again for reference, if not for anything else. At the end of the book, I have also included some tips on backtesting these strategies, along with tips on combining these strategies with filters such as regime, volatility, volume, news, and others. You would also find some simple yet effective tips on risk management there. If you have a Kindle device, then you can get the book on Amazon. We'll share the link in description. If you have Kindle Unlimited subscription, then you can read the book for free. You can buy the PDF copy of the book at the cost of 2 cups of coffee at Starbucks. I'm offering a 20% discount till 31st July, and you can find the link to buy the book in description. Discount code should be on your screen right now. Time is money, and this book saves you both many times over. Believe me when I say this would be one of the best investments you would ever make in your trading journey. Happy trading!